Whether you are a small business owner or head of a corporation, a mobile app makes selling and marketing to your customers so much easier. But doesn't it cost a lot of money and knowledge of coding to build an app? No, not at least with Jotform Apps. In this video, we'll show you how you can create free mobile apps in just minutes with Jotform Apps. So now you can impress your customers and do more business without any additional cost. So to get started, just go to jotform.com and here click on the Get Started Now button. Now here you can create your own app from scratch or you can choose to use a template. For the sake of this video, we are going to use a template to keep things as simple as possible. So click on Use Template option. Here you get a lot of options of templates to choose from. You can also preview this template for any device, phone, tablet and even PC. Now click on Use Template on the top right corner. Here you can edit the background properties, add background image, change text, edit font, color, size and much more. You can even add custom elements to your templates like forms, links, paragraphs, documents, button, images, templates and even maps. After you are done with editing the template, you can customize the settings for the app icon, name and the loading screen. Publishing the app is also very simple, but for publishing the app, you might need to sign up first. That's all for this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to like this video and subscribe to our channel.